everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to combine NotebookLM and Perplexity AI for very good research. So first of all, we're going to go into NotebookLM, upload your source or notebook or whatever. Then we're just going to basically summarize it. So I've used a sample notebook right here, and I've summarized it into 5 sentences, as you can see. And then it's giving me very good analysis of what it says. You can also even see where it's taking the information from, so the key parts are highlighted and stuff. And then we can basically just copy it and then go to Perplexity and just basically further summarize this. And it will also use the internet to give you a very way more technical answer than you would have just gotten from the source. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.